Did you not get AC?
Oh, maybe this one did. I don't know.
Did you book a place in Naples with no AC?
I don't know. I have no idea.
We gotta find out if there's AC. So, this is really good. Girls got smoothies, we got some beers, some little appetizer things, and then we got some chips.
I got chips. I got some chips too.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like this.
Mommy, look.
Hopefully when we get back to the room, the AC is cranking.
You
We really don't want to move.
Very much food.
Yeah, the Wi-Fi is awful too, so.
But if we do have to move, can we get a place that has bunk beds?
Harper, look. Yeah. This is Adam from the future. We're in Thailand right now, but I'm editing this video right now, and I wanted to stop and fill in a huge gap of what happened, what the story is. I'm really kind of upset with myself right now because I didn't do a good job of filming this. We were emotional and cranky, and... Did you book a place in Naples with no AC?
I don't know. I have no idea.
We just didn't feel like filming, and that was a huge mistake on our part. I should have at least just had the camera out and got some reactions. There's a gap of about 12 hours here where I didn't even pick up a camera, I don't think. So I kind of wanted to fill in some of the blanks here. So when we arrived in Naples, we got in and it was hot. It was very, very hot in the apartment. At first we thought there was no AC, but then we did find the air conditioning units and we turned them on and they were pretty weak. We thought maybe there was some cold air, but I think it was just the feeling of air moving. I don't think there was any AC actually coming out of it. So we gave the host a chance. We called them, we said, hey, it's not working. It's really hot in this apartment and we can't do this. So they said they'd send somebody out immediately. That's when we went to that cafe and we had a couple beers and some snacks. And we came back and it was about 7 o'clock and it was still so hot in the apartment. The person still hadn't come yet. They did finally show up at 10 p.m. They looked at the air conditioning units and then they said, oh, I can't do anything until we can call somebody tomorrow. Okay, we've been here for about 4 hours now. We've had the AC running for 4 hours now. It is hotter inside than it is outside. So at that point, it was 10 o'clock at night. We opened all the windows, there were no fans, and we tried to sleep. Lily, I think, got the most sleep. She slept for about 2 hours straight through. Harper slept for maybe a half hour. Poor Harper was the worst. She was sweating so bad. Lindsay and I didn't sleep at all. I think it was in the mid to high 90s outside at night in Naples at that time. And that was miserable. It was just awful. And again, I'm really bummed I didn't film any of it. I think it would have been good to document that. And it's a learning lesson for me that next time, even when it's tough, I need to film those things. So finally, the sun comes up. About 6:30 or 7, we start getting up because there's just no point in staying in bed any longer. And we start looking up different options. So I picked back up here the next morning. We'd already looked at several options, several Airbnbs, and I think that's where I picked back up filming again. And hopefully I have some more content, but if not, I guess I'll pop back in and let you know. Okay, that was about the worst night I've ever had in a place. The AC is still out. The girls got about 3 hours of sleep, and we're up right at 3:30 and 4. 2. I don't know if you can hear this. They're hammering upstairs and sawing outside. Wow. Oh, it's 7 o'clock in the morning right now. Okay, we're getting ready to head out. It's our first day in Naples. I'm on my iPhone because I didn't charge any GoPro batteries or anything last night. And we're all freaking exhausted. This is probably the worst hotel, guest house, whatever experience we've ever had. I know it could be worse, but whew, man, this is a bad one. So finally, the property response this morning and said they're going to send a technician out today, but no, that's not happening. That's fine, they can send out a technician today, but we won't be here anymore. But we're moving on. We got a couple different options, one of them on booking.com, one of them on Airbnb. Both of them have their issues and both of them are more expensive, so we're going to head out because it's still hot in here and get some coffee, get some breakfast, and discuss it and see if we can't make some plans for today because we're pretty much shot for today. So nobody got any sleep last night. Everyone's tired. Everyone's cranky. Probably won't film a lot today because I don't like to film when no one's happy. But it's just another one of those challenges. We'll get over it. We'll get through it. We'll figure it out. We always do.
Okay, maybe in a bit. You're getting their chocolate croissant.
Okay, we are packed up from this place in Naples. And we have a new place. It's a 23-minute cab. Piazza Dante is where it's located. So we're getting ready to head there. Try to order a cab. Of course, the apps don't work. So we are gonna go to the cab stand and see if we can get one. Okay, we are outside our new Airbnb and we have to wait till 12 to check in, and it's 11:30 now. So hopefully, very shortly, the host will let us in.
Hopefully be better soon.
10 minutes left. I think we're in a much more authentic Naples area. I can't wait to get all the stuff in and go check out the square. And we're definitely taking naps today. Okay. There are lots of flies in here. Okay.
It's a little small, Daddy.
It's perfect, honey.
Too many. Like this. Harper said 2 minutes we're going now. We can.
We made it to a new place.
Look.
It's 5,000 times better than the old one.
So I've been messaging a rental place to get a baby cot because the place we moved to from the crazy stuff last night, this place didn't have, they call it a baby cot, a travel pack and play, whatever. So she asked for our host contact information. So I get on Airbnb, message the host, and then she says, I'm bringing it today. I'm very confused because translation sometimes gets confusing and mixed up, so I'm like, okay, is she really bringing one, or what is she saying, because she told us earlier she doesn't have one. I ended up telling this lady that I was talking to for an hour that we don't need it now because our host is bringing one. Then later someone's knocking on our door and they brought us a brand new pack and play.
Bye. Yeah, so it's definitely a brand new pack and play. And
Still has the tags.
still has the tags. It's awesome. But this Airbnb that we're staying in, the host only had one review and the location only had one review. So it's always a little bit nervous, but we were kind of desperate. So we went for it, and it's like brand new. Everything smells brand new. So it's nice. It's really nice. And we're so happy we moved. Okay, forgot batteries for the GoPro. Noisy. Hi.
Hi.
Papa.
Dinner in Piazza Dante. It's a big square. And it's definitely a different part of town than we were in last night. I think it's alright.
Feels nice out tonight.
Feels wonderful out here tonight.
Mommy, what are you having for food?
Pasta, penne, and potatoes.
Where are we at?
I don't even know what this place is called. I didn't pay attention.
Love you.
Are we in Italy?
Oh, yes, we are in Italy. Sorry, I thought you were talking about the restaurant. We're in Italy.
What are you having for food?
This is mozzarella Milanese. Looks like it's some type of fried mozzarella.
So we're doing it
Come here.
again? What is it? What does it taste like?
We will change it.
Is really good. You want to try a bite?
Yeah.
Is that good? Sauce and yogurt?
Escucho lo que dice el Cora, lo bueno es lo que se demora, vale la pena.
Grazie.
Bye. Grazie. Bye.
Okay. Okay, just went to the grocery. Got some more stuff for the girls.
Cadería.